And it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. Check it out. I have a Halloween crown. Is this thing not totally awesome? I actually got this thing for Halloween. And I'm like, I'm gonna try it on. It just came today. It's really cool. It's got like these like little I don't know, they look like little tree branches that stick out. And it's kind of like a goth crown. The only thing is it's a little bit like tight. I wish it was a little bit bigger. I want to see if I can like somehow like adjust it or put like little foamy things on so it's not like squeezing my head. But I thought this was kind of cool. I don't know. What do you think of the crown? Anyway, oh my gosh, you guys, check out. I got a box in the mail today from Bath and Body Works. This is from the candle sale. I think this is the $12 candle sale. And how appropriate, because now I can tell you what all of these new candles smell like. So we are going to dig in. Oh my goodness, you guys. Number one, this is the prickly pear. The prickly pear sangria. These jars are pretty. These are the ones that we had last year. They're not really new, but they're kind of cute. Prickly pear syrup. Gosh, I can't read this, you guys. What is this? White wine and freshly sliced fruit infusion. Oh my gosh. By the way, thank you so much for all the amazing comments everyone's leaving because of my 40,000. I am reading through every single comment. I need to go back and heart everything, but I appreciate all your comments so much. Am I ready? Am I ready to smell the prickly pear? I don't know. Oh, I don't know if I like this one. Okay, I'm getting a little bit better vibe going here. I think I'm getting the white wine note. I'm not a wine drinker. It's not bad. These are kind of like a boozy collection, though, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to like any of these. I don't know. Okay, so let me do another one. Okay, you ready? This is the spiced caramel mezcal. I don't know what the heck that is. What is a mezcal? I'm sure it's like a drink. Generous pour of smoky mezcal. I'm sure it's alcohol. Caramel drizzle and cinnamon sugar rim. This should smell good. Oh, I actually like this one. I heard bad things about this one. Go figure. Leave it to me. That's not bad. I kind of like this one. Okay. I am back. As you all heard, the doorbell rang. I'm like, am I getting a delivery? So I go in through the door. I got my crown on, and it was my neighbor. So she didn't even think anything of the fact that I'm wearing a Ravenclaw sweater and a crown because she watches my videos. So it was all good. So, okay, we got to get back to this. Greg had a little accident here. By the way, I forgot to mention Greg in my 40th anniversary, or 40th anniversary. What am I talking about? I've not been on YouTube for 40 years. My 40,000. Remember, I was reminiscing about Scooby-Doo Mysteries and Kenny Rogers, and I totally forgot to talk about Greg. Poor Greg. So I went totally off topic. I like this one. This is the sugared caramel mezcal. I'm digging that one. Okay. Next up, we have the... What is this one? Spiced blackberry cider. This one is melted mulled blackberries, simmered cider, and cinnamon stick garnish. From the description, I kind of thought maybe I'd like this one the best. I like it. I don't know how these are burning. These aren't getting great reviews, but this smells good cold. Smells folly. I like it. I mean, it's not something I dislike. Let me get rid of that. And then I have one more. Where are my Halloween candles, by the way? I swear I have one more Halloween order coming. I don't know. This stuff is like really messed up. Check your order because everything. No, this isn't Halloween. This is the midnight. Well, it's kind of Halloween. Midnight cocktails. I don't know where my Halloween candles are because I'm supposed to be getting the pumpkin one. Oh my gosh, you guys. And Girlfriend, I'm like, where are these? Okay, so this one is Midnight Cocktails. It is a hidden world. Oh. A hidden world of libations in every potion. I can't even read this. What is this? Enter a hidden world. I'm going to take my glasses off for a second. Enter a hidden world with innovative libations in every patron's hand as the soft scent of tobacco lingers in the air. Oh my goodness. I don't like it. I'm not liking the libations. I don't know. It smells kind of like an icky black. I like what was it? The Black Sands from the summer. Remember that one? It was a tobacco one from the summer. I don't think I like this one though. Is this broken, by the way? I'm hearing cracking. This isn't doing anything for me. The jar is pretty. The jar is like kind of Halloweenish, but I don't know. I'll have to burn this one. Maybe it's better than I think. It's funny because these jars, they look kind of pretty from far away. Up close, they look kind of cheap though. I don't know if I like this, like, you know, it's supposed to be cut glass, only it's a little plastic piece that like goes over the candle. And it's not super classy. I don't know. Prickly pear. I'm going to say no to prickly pear. I kind of like that mezcal thing. And I kind of like the spiced blackberry cider. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try all these out. These were $12.95, so I figured, yeah, I'm gonna review these. Today, of course, we're having the $14.95 candle sale, and a lot of people are asking me, is this plastic or is this metal? I think it's. I think, you know. I kind of think it's metal actually because it's cold. I was like, is it cold? Plastic wouldn't feel this cold. I actually think this is like a metal. It kind of looks like plastic, but I actually think this is like, it's not an expensive metal. It's like a lightweight metal, but I do think this is, because it feels cold. I think it's metal. So anyway, a lot of people are asking about that. It kind of makes sense because the other one is metal too. Like this is metal. I mean, this is absolutely, yeah, that feels cold too. Like putting on my face, is it cold? And then the top is glass. That's how you tell if it's glass or plastic. Is it cold? Anyway, oh my goodness, you guys. Let me know what you think about the haul. I don't know. I think I'm going to take my crown off in the next video because it's squishing my head. I do like it though. It's pretty. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.